Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option how to enable and how to turn off switch access in accessibility options for Realme 14 Pro phone. So first of all we need to go to settings. Then in settings we're looking for accessibility and convenience, then accessibility. Next we need to tap the interaction tab at the top, and here we have our input devices section with switch access. And here we have our option. The switch is right here, of course, the switch for the option. I do not have any device to connect to it, but we can skip the options. Next, yes, yes, please, yes, 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 and we are done. And to turn it off, we simply use this switch to turn it off. Pretty simple. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.